Billy Scott here with Billy Scott Real Estate, bringing you a new listing going live, located at 547 West 4th Street. Let me tell you a little bit about this property. It checks all the boxes, especially box number 1, small town living in Coquille, Oregon. As we enter the home, we've got our first bedroom off to my right, and then as we come into the main open concept area where you've got the kitchen with nice covered granite countertops, you've got all stainless steel appliances, you've got two-tone cabinetry. I love the dark bottom, lighter top, looks pretty sweet. As we work our way around, check out this sink. Double wide, this is like farm style, great little setup. As we work our way into the deeper part of the dining room area, into the living room, the ceilings, as you can tell, are vaulted, nice open area. You've got luxury vinyl plank flooring, all brand new. Plus this living area that just makes it feel like home with the big wood stove, which is energy savings on your heat, and just a warm, comfortable spot to hang out with family and friends. Here we enter the primary suite. This is pretty cool. Not only does it fit a king-size bed comfortably, and you've got lots of space, but let's check out the walk-in closet and dual vanity. So, dual vanity, one over here, one over there. But a cool little feature, when you're doing your hair, because that's important, not only can I see myself here, I get to see what's happening in the back. Here we've got a great custom stand-up walk-in shower. Nicely done. Look at all the space in this walk-in closet. Everybody wants extra room in their closet. This is great. The backyard area is one of my favorite spots. Not only do you got the covered patio, you've also got the seating, you've got the big deck, and then you've got the big Traeger barbecue for smoking some of those good meats. And also, you've got a nice raised garden bed, more entertaining space. You've got the fully fenced backyard behind me with the play structure, the trampoline, you name it. This is a spot that brings people together. Thank you for taking the time to tour this home with us today. Here at Billy Scott Real Estate, we enjoy what we do. I think it shows. We have fun doing what we love. If there's any way that we could schedule a private tour with you, or if you'd like to look at another property, get a hold of us at the information on the screen. Thanks for watching.